Simple tips to help you understand dogs. We all love to ask for advice. Sometimes we ask about our children, or a house repair, or even financial situations. Asking for advice about dogs is also great, and this video is a perfect place to start. You'll find a ton of tips which really change how you view your dog. If you are planning to take your dog on an extended car ride, talk to your vet about motion sickness medication first. Avoid feeding him before setting out to prevent queasiness and vomiting, and make sure you buy him bottled water if you are traveling to any destination that is known to have issues with water quality. When giving your dog a bath, make sure that you only put on shampoo that is intended for canines. Using lukewarm water, get the entire body wet and then begin applying the shampoo to their face, working your way down their body. Wait a few minutes and then take a washcloth and wipe off the suds from your pet's face. Wash off the rest of the shampoo as well. In addition to verbal commands, employ a variety of hand signals when training your dog. Using hand gestures can help your dog to recognize commands quicker. Give both methods a try to find out which works best for your particular pup. Keep your dog warm during winter with the latest in canine fashion and accessories. You may think it's just for show, but dogs need protection from the elements too. Keeping your dog's paw pads dry is essential to their health in sub-freezing weather, so invest in suede or leather footwear and pick him up a coat while you're at it. Make them instead if you are creative. Make your own dog biscuits to provide your beloved canine with the healthiest treats. Most commercial products are overloaded with chemicals that aren't good for dogs, despite adding flavor and aroma. Use quality ingredients and tell your dog what you're doing in the kitchen. Get him all excited and let him taste test as soon as they're cool. Have a rotating schedule for dog-related responsibilities in your home. It's not fair for one person to always be taking care of him, and he'll feel more like a family pet if everyone pitches in. Kids often lose interest in a pet and leave the work to parents, but it's important that you teach them to keep up the commitment. It is very common for objects to get lodged in the pads of your dog's paws. Check them regularly to make sure that nothing is in there. If you see something, be very careful about taking it out, or it may become lodged even deeper. It is wise to use tweezers for this. Since you asked for advice, and now have received it, the next step is to put it to use. That means truly implementing what you have learned and then enjoying the rewards it brings. When you see your dog sleeping peacefully, bliss on his face, you'll appreciate putting in the effort. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.